All the promises you made me, Mr. Ariola. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go there. I'm going to stay. I promise. In one ear, out the other. And you picked up yet another criminal trespass. Over and over and over and over. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 criminal trespasses. Possession of marijuana, possession of a controlled substance, attempted possession of a firearm, resisting arrest, failure to identify ×3, possession of a controlled substance ×10. You remember what I told you last time you were here? Do you remember, Mr. Ariola? What happened on the newest, Mr. Kim? Newest trespass? Is it the same?
On the Ariola, Judge?
Please.
April 29th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the Chevron gas station in Harris County, Texas, the same one as all the last criminal trespasses. The now defendant was found in the freezer room. Complainant stated he was trespassed before and wanted to pursue charges.
In the freezer room this time. Same place as all other 18?
Yes, it just notes generically all the previous criminal trespasses.
It's the same one, right?
Chevron gets 14647, yes, Judge. Yes. Oh, yes.
I will not entertain any offers with you. I will immediately set your case for trial, and I'm going to put you back in the DDRP location. And if you take off, it's okay with me. I will continue to do the same thing, and I will continue to put you back into the DDRP location until it takes. At some point, it's going to take. And I'm going to bring you back here every day to tell you not to go back to the Chevron location. Every day you will come back to see me until we go to trial. And I'm going to keep telling you, don't go back to the Chevron. Okay.
Now going to DDRP, Judge.
Okay, Lori, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me just tell you, Mr. Ariola, at the outset, you're not here alone. I have a lawyer, Lori, here with you now so that she can be with you during everything that we're doing so that you're not alone. I want to make sure that you know that you're not, it's just not the world against you. You have someone here that's helping you out with the situation. I had Mr. Kim call out to Syed, which is the person who is the manager, I guess.
He is. So, Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Shad Syed, and he is the complainant in this case. He stated that he is the manager and business partner of Mr. Mohammed Akhtar. Mr. Mohammed Akhtar is the owner. His son, Siam Akhtar, is also a co-owner. These three, along with the cashier, are the only employees in that gas station. There's no one else there, no one else that can speak for them. All four employees stated that they do not want the defendant at the gas station. The complainant stated that the defendant has previously come in with a stick and another time with a crowbar. He stated that the defendant has also assaulted an officer in another incident. The complainant also says there's a recorded 911 call on one of the incidents where you can hear the defendant admitting that he knows he's not supposed to be there. The complainant believes that the defendant should go to a mental health facility or rehab, but the last time they were in court where he received the conviction from this court, the defendant stated that he was not mentally sick last time in court, and so the complainant doesn't know what to do. The complainant is fearful for his safety and believes that the defendant should be charged with a felony because he was already convicted for trespassing, but he keeps coming back. So he doesn't have a solution. He says he's available for whatever the state needs in terms of this prosecution.
Now the stakes shift.
The employees say they're scared. There's mention of a stick, a crowbar, even a recorded 911 call. Fear changes how a court views trespass. It's no longer just wrong place, wrong time. It starts sounding like public safety risk. And once fear enters the record, judges lean toward protection over second chances.
That is from the mouth of the people that work at that gas station. I don't know where you're getting your information that you can go, but you speak. Let me know. What do you?
This is the first time that I've heard that. And it's, again, it's troubling. I am not, how can I say this?
Just say it.
I've spoke, a matter of fact, with the son. He told me himself, he said, "You're okay with me, man. Just don't just leave whenever Alex come by." I am not looking for trouble, nor am I against any of them. I'm troubled with what I've just heard right now. Even the main owner, I know him so well. He tells me the same thing, just as his son. He said, "Just leave. You cannot be here whenever Alex comes." He's like,
Don't go back. It doesn't matter who's telling you what, how many times they've told you, when they've told you. All their minds have changed. They just don't want you back. They're scared of you, Mr. Ariola. They are scared.
I can only just listen to what I've just heard. I mean, okay, this is a different picture whenever I'm talking to them, but okay.
I'm only bringing you here because, like I told you, I want you to understand that you cannot go back. And I want you to understand this. And I'm going to bring you here many times because I've told you this. We've done this before. We've exactly done this exact thing where I've had the district attorney's office call them and tell you this. So I don't know what else we have. And that's why I wanted you to go to the DDRP location to see and have you evaluated. Go ahead.
Listen, what I just heard right now, no, that makes my stomach hurt. It is a whole different story when I'm there with them. Right now, I'm only, I honestly, I don't want to go back there if this is what the statement that came out of who was it?
Spoke with Mr. Syed.
Syed. That troubles me. I have a family. I have a family to take care of, and I'm being troubled by these privileged calls by Mr. Syed. I don't even think this man. I don't hate this man. I'm just troubled about what's being, many ways.
You shouldn't let it trouble you. It doesn't matter. Just don't go back. It shouldn't make your stomach hurt. It shouldn't trouble you. None of that matters. Just don't go back and everything will be fine.
Believe me, yes. Now that this statement was made, believe me, I have a family to take care of. I really don't say much because I just want to get, I'm not here for no excuses or nothing. I can only bring the facts of it all. Okay, I have a family to take care of, and my time is being taken away from me being able to provide for my family. 5 days. I went out when I went to the store just to talk to a friend, and that friend was the son, and he told me, he's like, it's okay, Rody, you can be here, just leave whenever he comes. I'm like, okay, man, I don't really even.
That's the problem, though. The problem is you never know when the guy's going to come back. You never know. What if he comes in 5 minutes after he told you? You never know. That's why the best way is not to go back at all.
And I'm perfectly sane. I know from right from wrong. I'm not committing no crimes.
No, you don't.
I'm not intentionally, going out there committing crimes, even that by doing drugs or any of that.
We need to figure out where we're going to go from here because I don't know. So let me talk with Lori, your lawyer. Let's figure out a path where we're going to go from here. We sent you to the facility for you to get evaluated, but you left. And after you left, you went back to this place, you picked up a new trespass case. So I don't know where we're going to go from here.
What do you mean I left?
You were ordered to, and you agreed with me that you were going to go to this residential facility. You agreed with me.
No, the trial, I lost the trial. You put me in this facility.
Correct.
Okay, and I guess
You told me at that time that you were willingly going to go because you wanted things to change and you wanted to better yourself.
Wait, plot twist. The judge thought he walked away from treatment, but he actually completed it. That's a big difference. Completion usually helps a defendant. But here's the problem. If you finish rehab and go right back to the same location within 10 days, the court sees that as proof the core issue wasn't solved. So what is it? Addiction? Obsession? Miscommunication?
I'm not asking for treatment. I'm here as a man right now. I stand before you. I stand before this court. I am not asking for treatment. Then
I'm at a complete loss of how to go forward, Mr. Ariola, because I don't know
Jail.
what.
What do you mean that I left the facility? The facility that you sent me, I completed.
He completed it April 23rd, 2020.
Oh, I thought he took off.
No, he completed it.
Oh, wonderful. So what happened though? You completed it, he got out, and then you picked up a new trespass.
In less than 10 days. Since he said the-
In less than 10 days. This is the privileged call. I'm asking the court to recognize this. I am not intentionally doing something, passing the line or jumping over a fence or sneaking in behind. I'm asking that this court recognize this privileged cause is taking away my time. I am not on drugs. I am not on dope. I am simply just at a place.
So I'm going to put you back. I'm going to let you talk to Lori, and Pavel and Mr. Kimball, I will talk and figure out where we go forward because I just don't know. I don't know. My only concern is I don't want you to go back. That's all I want.
If I tell you this right now, man, I promise you today, right now, that I will not go back to that store. I'm telling you right now because this is troubling. Not like you said, I do not want it to trouble me. I promise this court, I will not go back to that store.
Let me talk to Lori and see where we go. Okay. I don't know. And I wish I could believe you.
This is the emotional climax. He promises again. But here's the harsh reality. In court, promises don't carry weight, patterns do. And the judge even says it's hard to believe him because of history. Trust, once broken repeatedly, becomes nearly impossible to restore. So I'll ask you, if you were the judge, would you believe him this time?
I really do. But given our history, it's very, very hard for me to do that.
I just want you to, please, you sent me to this treatment. I completed it. I did all that was told of me. I didn't get no write-ups, no so-called VRs from that treatment.
You get out of the facility, and less than 10 days later, you went back. That's the rub.
I'm not, how can I say this? It's not like I was visiting a friend.
You're going back.
No, I understand. I understand this. I mean, this is the way I'm just talking here, and I'm just talking, and
Don't.
I'm not going to go back. I'm telling you this right now. I'm not going to go back. I'm not going. This is me telling you for real that. This is me telling this court.
I need to record this so that we have this conversation in 2 weeks. If you were to get out, we'll see.
We
I
got
just
you,
don't know.
Judge. Don't
Let
worry.
me talk to Lori, and we're going to figure out where the proper, how to go forward, Mr. Ariola. I just don't know anymore.
Thank you, Judge.